Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about Filmora, and it will be a complete beginner tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already in Filmora 14 website, and if you don't know about Filmora, then I just want to give you a short brief. That is, Filmora is a video editing platform where you can freely edit your script or clip on Filmora, and you can make videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok and many more. So here let's talk about Filmora. It is a product from Wondershare. Wondershare is their brand company, and under the Wondershare they will sell Filmora. So here if you see the features over that place, then you will find out options called AI. So actually you can see we can AI image to video, then here we can see text to speech, speech to text, AI vocal removal and many more. If you click on all features, then you will get more to know about this one. Let's click over here AI. This is the smart short clips, then AI video enhancer, AI video denser and many more. So if I click on video, what we can do with video, so here you can see it effortlessly create with a fully equipped video editing software like plant tracker, multi-camera editing, blur face video, keyframing, advanced video compressor, image sequence to video and many more. Like you can see it, so it has all in a one platform. So you can reduce your voice also. We have audio option, voice changer, AI voice cleaning, and sometimes I want to give you a review. That is, sometimes I use Filmora for my video editing. So this platform gives us huge opportunity or huge advantages on video editing. So let's go how we can download it. So if you are using Windows, then just click over here, or you can click on get started for free. Just click over here. Once you click over here, as you can see, our Filmora has been downloaded, and the installing process is really simple. Just click over here, or where is download, just go over here and download it. As you can see, I just need to be click on yes. Once I click over here, then it will take a while to install it. Here you can see, yes, I read and agree with the Wondershare privacy policy. Just click over here, install. Once I click over here, then it will take a while to install it. Now it will take around downloading for me 28 seconds. So we need to be wait a while for this. So let's go and talk about this Filmora furthermore. So here you can see we have these options or features to polish videos with ease. Like we can do smart short clips, smart scene card, AI video enhancer, AI portrait pop card. So if you are an editor, then you know what I am telling about you, or if you are a beginner, then just focus on my video. You will understand better visual applying greater storytelling. So here we have this multi-camera editing. It's like relevant for podcast, then planet tracking. Like you want to only focus on this man, just make sure that this will be your tracking panel, and video editing will be track this one. Here you can see part cube and many more tailor content your wish. So use features we have. So let's go and check this out. How much is the going? It's need 1 minute, so we need to be wait a while for this one. So let's check this out. Yes, as you can see, our Wondershare Filmora has been installed. Now you can see offline installer is saved in this path. So I'm going to click on start now. Once I click over here, now it will take a while to reload this, and now you can see Wondershare is ongoing environment testing. Congratulations, Filmora is successfully installed. Being your creative journey now. We are highly recommending downloading and editing the video on Filmora for mobile. They are suggesting us to install it for our mobile also. More AI video, less like being AI. So I just don't want to add any AI right now. So I just want to discuss about this platform. Click to start. So here it is the important thing. So you can see we have this interface over that place. I'm going to click it. So this will be the interface when you will install your Filmora on your computer. You have the option for login. If you create an account on Filmora, then you will get some credit for AI uses. So here let's go with Filmora walkthrough. Restart from Filmora walkthrough. Here you can see we have this option ribbon path here. Then we have this features stock media. You are allowed to use this stock media. Just go and download it. Now you can see here it already downloaded. They provided it for us here. Then we have this audio panel. Here you can generate some audio, discrete the sound effect. It is totally generative AI. For the generative AI, then we have titles here. Here we can see this is the title. Let's download one of them. You can see if you want to edit it, you are allowed to edit it from that place. So let's edit it. Subscribe our channel and let's reduce our font size. It will be 626. You can choose a preset from that place. Then we have this transaction. You can see we have many transactions. If you hover on of them, you will get the eventual result, and you can choose one by one, paste card, and many more. Glitch block, then effect. We have also effect. Let's import a clip from that place. Go and click on import, and I have some clip on my computer, so I'm going to edit one of them. This one will be good, so I will store it here. So want to share that resolution of frame rate of this meter does not match the setting to this project. Do you want to change the project setting to match the media? Match to media, yeah, just click over here. And if you want to change the project color or size, then go over here, and here you can see we have new project option. This is by default, and you can choose your ratio from that place also, or you can change the preference by clicking over that place. Here you can see preference. If you want to change anything from that one, you are allowed to do it. Media cache, performance, you can click GPU check start. By clicking this, GPU environment detection is progress, please wait, restart later, has been complete, please start now to update related settings. So I will do it later. So you don't need to change any preference, but if you want, you are allowed to do it. So I'm going to add a transaction or effect over that place. This one will be the basic blur. So let's place it here, and now go and let's place it. Now you can see the blur has been working. If you want to remove it, just go and you will find out all the necessary steps. Here in the left corner you can see we have this effect. So I just want to delete it, just click on delete. Now you can see that eventual result. So you can split it if you need it. So go over here and then just click on this and split it. Here is, I already talked about the thing you needed on that platform. This is the main section for you. In here you need to be work on, and this is the clip. If you want to add transaction, go and come over here and place it here. In this way you are allowed to add this transaction over that place. So let's play it. So here you can see how easy the process was. We have some by default template, so let's place it one of them, and eventually you can see, yeah, okay, match to media, and let's go and check this out. I hope you get it. And if you want to add audio, you are allowed to add audio from this place. Give me, do I generate a AI sound effect for you? Yeah, we can. Cool. Let's click on generate. For AI generative audio, you need to create an account here. I already mentioned it before the video. So if you want to add any custom audio, you are allowed to add it in the audio section. Here you can see, just drag and drop it like this way. I did drag and drop it, that much easy. I hope this video was literally helpful and knowledgeable for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I hope I will catch you in the next video.